Hello and welcome back. So in this video actually I would like to introduce how we can fetch or insert our data from Python outside the environment of Snowflake. So we have a table dim date, as I already mentioned you in a previous videos, that we have a schema. This is our database, we have a schema, and then we have a dim database table here. And if we run this command, then it show a sample data that we already uploaded. So let's first, we will remove this all this record from the dim date table to empty the table. Okay, so we have empty. Let's recheck, reconfirm. Okay, so we have empty the table. Now I am going to walk through about how I did write a Python code, what is the requirement to fetch the data, Python code to from Snowflake or Snowflake to Python. So what I need to do, so first I will go to ODBC. In a ODBC source I have created a Snowflake 2 configuration of the. So I have a username, I have a password, then this is a a server name, server path, where I can find this server path here in a Snowflake. So I will also show you that we have to go there and copy it. If we copy it, then if I open a notepad for you and you paste it, so just you need to remove these things, and after that you paste it here. Then you need to provide database name, database schema, and warehouse name, and tracing is 0 to 6, so keep it 4 as simple. And let me check this connection as well. So yes, it's failed. Why? Because my password is, I think, is incorrect. Okay, so it's now connected successfully. So this is first step. For this, what we need a driver for that, and this is a Snowflake 64 ODBC driver which we can get from internet in a Snowflake site. So you don't worry about that, you can download it and install it. So okay, once we install this thing, then come to our insert program. So let me walk through this. So PyMySQL is a native driver for ODBC to connect with SQL server. So this is my SQL server connect, server name, on-premises server name. Then we have top 10 records fetching from, just for demonstration purpose, from our SQL server. And this is our Snowflake 2 ODBC driver name or DSN name. Then we are going to select story from dim date, and we are going to insert all the all the columns, insert all the columns with this parameter. We have around 19 columns, so I am putting 19 columns here. And then we have a DSN name, and then password, compute, schema. This is ODBC DSN name. And then we are inserting one by one row in this example. So let's run this example first. Okay, let me say Python Snowflake insert. Okay, keep in mind it's a one by one row, so it take a bit time if we have a more than 1000 rows, 6000 rows. So if rows is if rows size is increasing, then this program will be slow, right? So we inserted this record. Let me reconfirm that. Okay, so let me run this command here. So yeah, we have a sample record here. So now second program is actually to read the data, same again from ODBC and from Snowflake. Then we are reading top 10, or we can say, okay, let's remove top 10 as well, because we are reading all the fetch records. And then So we need to run this code here. Okay, so in this case I would say Python Snowflake read is my program name, like here. So let me run this. Okay, so here the result. So we have a decimal Sunday, and then this is a record name. So we are, in this way we are fetching and updating a record using ODBC. So that's it for this demo purpose. So I hope I will also come up with the ETL, writing ETL using in the environment of Snowflake. Okay, thank you very much for watching this tutorial.